Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import contacts into HubSpot using the CRM feature. Whether you're new to HubSpot or have been using it for a while, this guide will make the process simple and efficient. Following these steps will help you manage your contacts seamlessly. First, open your web browser and go to HubSpot.com. Log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the main HubSpot interface, locate and click on the CRM option. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's the central hub for managing customer interactions and data efficiently. Once in the CRM section, click on Contacts. This takes you to your contact management area where you can view existing contacts or add new ones. This dashboard is where you'll manage and interact with all your contact data. Next, to import new contacts, find and click on the Import option, usually located in the top menu. This opens the part of HubSpot dedicated to bringing in contacts from external sources. Importing contacts saves a lot of time, especially if you have a large list. Then select Set Up Myself. This allows you to manually control the import process and ensures that all your data comes over smoothly. HubSpot provides prompts along the way to guide you through each step. For the next step, choose Import a File. Here you'll select a file from your computer containing your contact information. Usually this will be a CSV or Excel file with all your contacts organized neatly. Make sure your file follows HubSpot's formatting requirements to avoid errors. Once your file is selected and you've followed all the prompts, you should see a confirmation that your contacts are being imported. And just like that, you successfully imported your contact list into HubSpot, ready to manage and engage with them effectively through the platform. By following these steps, your contact data will stay organized and easily accessible, helping you leverage HubSpot's powerful CRM tools. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful HubSpot tutorials and tips.